Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making onigirazu. It is similar to onigiri rice balls, but onigirazu is not shaped into traditional triangle or oval shapes. We can put all sorts of fillings, and it's almost like a sandwich. Here are the ingredients. Today we are using the beef shigureni we made in last week's recipe, but you can put any kinds of fillings you like, such as tempura, teriyaki chicken, or tuna salad with lettuce. For more information, please visit our website, JapaneseCooking101.com. First, we are going to quickly boil the spinach. We are using baby spinach today, but you can use regular spinach and cut into small pieces as well. Drain and squeeze the water out. Mix with katsuobushi bonito flakes and soy sauce and set aside. Next, we are going to make fried eggs. Heat a frying pan with oil and cook eggs over easy. Cover with a lid and cook about a minute. And turn over and cook for another minute or so without the lid. To make onigirazu, we need a plastic wrap. Place a sheet of nori on a piece of plastic, a corner pointing at you. Put about half a cup of the rice in the middle and flatten. Put some seasoned spinach, fried egg, and the beef shigureni on the rice. Cover with another half cup of rice and flatten again without squishing too much. Bring all the corners of nori seaweed to the center, like that. It doesn't need to look perfect here. And now wrap the whole thing tightly with the plastic wrap. You can fix the shape if needed at this point. With the plastic still on, cut in half. You can put just about anything you like in onigirazu. It's very easy and quick to make without a mess. Perfect for bento lunch to go.
美味しい。美味しいね。